Hey there, Cherie here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here to share with you all a really quick small fabric unboxing. This is actually a box of fabric that I ordered last year at the end of the year in December, part of my birthday celebration. And yeah, I'm finally getting around to filming it because I plan to go and start matching these fabrics to patterns so I can start sewing them up. And so I figured I better share with you guys really quickly before I do that. So this is an order that I did from Core Fabrics. And Core Fabrics is the fabric portion of the Closet Core pattern website. So they have their sewing patterns and yeah, they sell fabric now. And I follow them over on Instagram, and I saw a post that they made and I was like, well, let me go check the fabric out. And so yeah, I just got a couple things. I didn't need a ton of stuff. There was, of course, I always see lots of things that I like, but especially since it was the first time that I was purchasing from them, and I'm like, I have so many projects going on, I wanted to exhibit some self-control. And so let me just share with you guys quickly what I got. The first thing I got, they have a really amazing collection of these rib knit fabrics in all kinds of colors, and I need a little rib knit for a couple of tops that I plan on making. So I just picked it up in black. This is a bamboo cotton 2x2 baby rib. So it's a cotton and bamboo blend. So I got a 1/4 yard of that. I just need to do cuffs and a collar. And I did the same thing with this mustard yellow. Really, really pretty. It's showing up a brighter yellow than it actually is. It's definitely a mustard yellow. Hopefully the close-up is showcasing its true color. But same thing, 2x2 baby rib. And I got a 1/4 yard of that. Then this is the one that I really want to sew up soon because I'm working on some more blouses. And I picked up this rayon challis. All their fabrics come with these tags on them. It has on the back of the tag, they have the name of the fabric, the fiber content, colors, the weight, the width, as well as the care and the quantity that you bought. So I got 2 yards of this. This is called an abstract illustrated rayon twill in cream and purple. It's a viscose fiber, 52 inches wide, and just something a little bit different for me. I usually go for the florals. I love this pattern. I love the colorway. So I thought I would get 2 yards and just, you know, whip up a little blouse with that. That's going to fit well into my capsule wardrobe that I'm working on. And then this was the one that I saw on their website, on their Instagram, that I was really drawn to. This is just absolutely stunning. This is absolutely stunning. I mean, the quality is amazing. And I got this in 2 colorways. This one here with this purple and navy and orange and kind of a taupey gray. I got 2 yards of this. This is 57 inches wide. It's called Coral and Purple Double-Sided Zigzag Jacquard. And this is the right side, what I would call the right side. This is what I would call the wrong side. But really, I mean, it would be reversible really nicely. And so I got 2 yards of that one. I'm thinking about making some kind of topper jacket. I have to see which pattern I have. I have 2 in mind that I think, even though I only have 2 yards, I think I can make it work. And then the other colorway I just thought was also this beautiful tones, beautiful colors. This one I only got 1 yard, but it must have been the end of the bolt because this is definitely more than a yard. I was thinking about just making a little vest. I have a fiber mood pattern that's like for a quilted vest, and I thought I would just make that without the quilting. It would be kind of like a nice layering piece with a turtleneck and just some black skinny pants. But I got more than a yard here, I think. I have to measure it. It looks like more than a yard. But anyway, this is a mustard and terracotta colorway. Oh, and I forgot to tell you the fiber content on these are cotton and viscose. And again, machine washable. You have to line dry it though. 57 inches wide. And again, just beautiful colors. And again, you can decide technically which side I guess you would want to use. And so I like the idea of having kind of a reversible vest with this. That's what I was thinking initially. But now if I have enough, I might make something with some partial sleeves, or yeah, we'll see. But I just wanted to share with you guys really quickly because it was my first time shopping on their site. They had a sale going on, I should say, too. And so that was also part of the driver for purchasing their fabrics to test out. I'm going to get these sewn up, and I'm actually really looking forward to checking out what they're going to be bringing in for spring. I definitely want to pick up a few more colorways of that rib knit. I'm going to sew it up first, see how it does, but first impressions is that it's a really beautiful quality, and they had just an array of great colors. So yeah, I'm looking forward to shopping there again. If you guys have shopped with Core Fabrics, let us know in the comments what your impressions have been. And yeah, I'll be back soon to share with you all the patterns that I have chosen, and at minimum a review of the pattern and sewing with these fabrics. I'll be back to share with you guys my impressions. All right, so that is it for today. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you back here on the channel again soon. I look forward to chatting with you in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and share it out with anyone that you know that loves fabric. All right, take care. Bye.